Hi, Paulo. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. And how are you?
I'm fine.
So, I welcome you to today's practice session for English for Young Learners. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get started. Today's topic is about your favorite activity. Okay, so
Yeah.
you will have 1 to 2 minutes to answer this question. Before that, you can take some time to think. So, would you like to take some time to think, or you want to just start now?
Start now.
Okay, so let's get started.
Okay.
So tell us about your favorite activity
My favorite activity is cycling
and why do you like cycling so much?
because it gives me power, enjoy.
It's a way to do exercise, right?
Yeah.
That's very good to know, Paulo, that you love to do cycling. But can you tell me with whom you love to do cycling with?
With my siblings and my friends.
Wow, so you love to spend time with them, right?
Yeah.
So would you like to share anything else about your favorite activity?
Yeah, swimming
And why do you like that so much?
because I enjoy it and it gives me power.
So it seems like you love to do a lot of physical activity, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you take any swimming classes?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Uttara Swimming Club.
Wow, that's really nice. Okay, Paula, goodbye. It was really nice talking to you. I hope to see you again.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.